Today we are going to clean up your album art scans. It's inevitable that we will end up with crap on our scan, either with a dirty bed or gunk on the label. First, we want to magic select and isolate all of the background color and make it its own layer via cut. Now we can use the heal tool at max size to make a fairly random pattern. You will notice that this looks actually pretty good as is, and if you want that bit of randomness in the background, then you are done. And you can move on to healing the top layer to remove speckles as you would. But if you want to go one step further, you need to go and isolate a part of that background that is fairly uniform. Go to Edit and Create Pattern, which for some reason does not show up in the video record here, but once you do that, you can go to the stamp tool, choose that new pattern, and swipe it all the way across the screen after, of course, deselecting the square you made earlier. Now this doesn't look too terrible on its own, but you can definitely see a pattern emerging in the selected areas here, and that's no good. That'll be seen right away. So now this is where you take the heal tool and let it do its magic. This will take from a much smaller set of variances in color and make something far more uniform. This will take quite a while, even on a nice PC though. And now that we bring the other layer back in, you can see that patterned background is now far more randomized and incredibly uniform. The only step left is to flatten the image and finish the rest of your heal work as normal.